30-day challenge. Y'all know I had to come back with another one. Okay, so look, so today, we are starting a brand new challenge. This is called the Declutter Challenge, just in time for spring to kind of get your space and your mind clear. Oh my goodness. And I am so super excited to bring you this 30-day challenge where we'll be helping you to declutter your mind and your space over the next 30 days. Okay, so we're going to start today. We're just going to hit the ground running. We're going to start today with one of the most important spaces, your bedroom. Oh my goodness, right? So look, your bedroom is your sanctuary, your escape from the world, right? But if it's cluttered and disorganized, it can be hard to find peace and relaxation. So that's why today's task is to organize your bedroom. Yes, that's exactly what we're gonna do. Okay, so y'all know how I do. Okay, y'all know. Don't act like you don't know. All right, you know I created a little something for you so that you could kind of like go through this challenge with me, right? So this is gonna be so awesome. Today is the first day, and today we're going to organize our bedroom. Okay, don't worry, I'll tell you where to get all this stuff. Okay, so to help you get started, we created this guide for you. Okay, it has 4 places for you to write down the things that you need to organize in your bedroom. Okay, so grab a notebook or a pen, or you can grab this guide and we'll get started. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. So let's take a few minutes to write down the areas in your bedroom that need some attention. It could be your nightstand. It could be your dresser. It could be your closet or your under bed storage, whatever it is, write it down so you'll have a clear plan of action, right? And once you have your list, tackle each area individually, taking time to declutter, organize, and clean each space until it's tidy and functional. Trust me, you will feel much better when your room is organized and clutter-free. Okay, so look, I know you are like, well, Michelle, where can I get that guide? I'm glad you asked, because this is how you do it. This is how you do it. You go to lbcbranding.link/declutter. Yes. Oh my goodness. And you'll get this gorgeous 34-page guide. Each day there'll be something for you to do, a place for you to reflect, and all of the things. Okay, so thanks for joining us. I'm going to keep these short and sweet. Okay, so thanks for joining us on day 1 of our 30-day declutter challenge. Remember, you can download the guide by going to lbcbranding.link/declutter so that you can stay on track with all the things that we're going to do this month. Okay, so oh my gosh, I can't wait to see you tomorrow for another challenge to declutter your mind and space. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. We will see you tomorrow. We see you tomorrow. Doses.